Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to New York City. We are taking delivery of a brand new 2020 Toyota Supra here in New York, and we are driving it home to Salt Lake City, Utah. Should be about 3,000 miles round trip. I just got off a red eye from Salt Lake City. I'm working on about 2 hours of sleep, so if I'm extra annoying today, I do apologize, but I'm very, very excited. I've never actually seen the new Supra in real life. It's somewhere here at Sunrise Toyota. I think it's over there. My sales guy's gonna be here in about 25 minutes, but I think we can find the car. I've just dumped all my luggage here next to the trash bin, but I think the Supra's around there, so we're gonna grab that and we're gonna go there. All the Supras in North America arrived on July 22nd. However, all the cars that were delivered to California to Long Beach are still stuck in customs. So there's a chance that if I pick up my Supra today and I race back to Utah, I might have the first customer Supra in the Western United States, definitely in the state of Utah, unless of course there's some other schmuck who's like, bought it yesterday and is doing the exact same thing. Also, I think the car's over there. We just have like this sea of brand new Toyotas, and the Supra is somewhere. Presumably. Hopefully it better be. It better be. I wired the money. My sales guy just texted me. I got here kind of sort of early. The car is in there. This is so exciting. I cannot wait. This is the first time I've ever seen a Toyota Supra. It's behind those doors, behind that glass. I can kind of sort of see the silhouette. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm kind of sort of looking at it right now. It looks so good. Ooh, this was sort of like a last minute sort of split second decision, and I'm feeling very, very good about it. Dude, that is so sick. This is brand new. Like, whoa, this interior is so cool. So this is the launch edition. It's a numbered car, number 304 of 1500. It smells so good. I wish I could convey the smell of a brand new, well, you guys have been in a brand new car. Like, if you haven't, go to your Toyota dealership and smell it. It smells very, very, very fresh. That red leather looks wicked too. This is it, the very first cold startup on the new Supra. We're talking a 3-liter, 6-cylinder, turbocharged, 335 horsepower. Wait for it, wait for it. It's gonna need an exhaust. It's gonna need an exhaust ASAP. We might have to get it installed today. Okay, anyways, it doesn't sound very good. It is so sick. Whoa, I still cannot believe today is actually happening. This is gonna be wicked. But yes, we need to get an exhaust. We have a whole list of modifications we're gonna be doing to this Supra. Whoa. Dude, it looks so good. I love the headlight clusters on these cars, and those daytime LEDs look sick. So I gotta sign like a bunch of nonsense. I've already paid for the car, but I still gotta sign it. I gotta get a temporary trip permit so I don't get pulled over. But we'll be back soon. We're just gonna go inside, sign real quick, and then we are headed that way, like 2,000 miles. It is official. We are the new owners of this 2020 Supra. One of my favorite design elements is the double bubble roof. It's kind of like the Viper GTS back in 96, 97. So we're gonna head off to Manhattan and then 2,000 miles home to Utah. Yes, this interior is straight out of a BMW. I get it, I get it. I should have titled today's video taking delivery of a BMW Z4, but I didn't because it's a Toyota Supra. We got all the carbon fiber there. Launch edition, 304 1500. We only have 35 miles on this. We're gonna pop it here into sport mode. Tachometer gets a little bit more exciting. All right, we are headed to Manhattan. Yeah. It's always so nervous driving a brand new car. Massive shout out to Ryan and Mike at Sunrise Toyota. Full send, go! Okay, this thing can move. All right, it sounds pretty good. So sport button opens up the baffles. Always drive it in sport mode. Like if you buy a Toyota Supra, always sport mode. Never doubt. Full send, go, 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 go! Yes. Ooh, whoa! Did you hear those? I hope the camera picked that up. If it did not, I'm gonna put a GoPro back there, and that was good. There are a few things in life I can guarantee. However, over the course of the next 7 days, I can guarantee you I will get pulled over. Full send, go, 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 go! There's a cop, there's a cop. I'm just kidding. I had you. Okay, that was actually pretty poor on my part. I usually play it off better than that. I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to New York City. We're just out here chasing views on views. I need to get this car in the left lane because good thing we can accelerate. This car is fast. Here's the question. Is there a Tesla in the world that does not have a vanity plate to let us know they don't use gasoline? I think they all do. A bumper bully. That van had a bumper bully. A bumper bully, are you kidding me? No way, what? Dave, Dave DDE, where are you? I gotta get a photo of this. Gee. What in the world is this thing doing in Manhattan? The Lamborghini Gallardo Squadra course. There's like, what, 50 of these worldwide, I think? This is the best rear deck lid ever. I wish I could get a replica like this for my Gallardo. Whoa, that is wicked, especially with the New York skyline right there. Note to self, never, ever, ever drive a nice car in Manhattan. Every single car, whether it's like 40 years old or brand new, has at least one dent or like the whole side has been sideswiped. Also, some of the cars here have what they refer to as a bumper bully, which is like a foam pad that covers the back bumper. I need to get my Supra, and I gotta get it out of Manhattan because I don't have a bumper bully. I don't know why this Squadra course is here in Manhattan. This is sick though. Okay, we gotta roll. That Highlander has a bumper bully. What? Also the logo looks like a Lamborghini emblem. Do you see that? That is totally a Lambo emblem. They stole that, they ripped that off. It's a DIY bumper bully on that Nissan. What in the world? What is going on, New York? Maybe the coolest non-performance feature of the Supra is right here in the center console is a charging port for your phone. It's like, my phone is now charging. That is sick. The problem with the Supra is that when you rev it, like, I sort of felt like a loser right there because it's so quiet and it needs to be excessively and obnoxiously loud. Kind of like the Aventador. Not that I would ever rev it in a situation like that to try to get attention. It was more like just to prove a point, which I think I proved. Check out this spot we found here in New Jersey. The Supra. It's growing on me so quickly already. There's a couple oddities on the design though. I do love that Viper GTS double bubble roof, but then we got like this vent right here on the door that's fake. We got this vent right here that's fake. We got this vent that's fake as well. That can all be remedied. But what do you guys think of the Supra? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wrap it. Should I wrap it purple or another color? Let me know in the comments below. These daytime LEDs look sick as well. I'm probably gonna get kicked out of here pretty soon, but the back end of this car, that is where the design comes together. It looks so good. It just needs, and it also, yeah. Wing is coming probably sooner than anything. A lot of you guys have probably seen Doug DeMuro's review on the Supra, and he noted that his press vehicle had a red driver's side door panel and a black passenger door panel, and he assumed that it was only a press vehicle, and that's why it was that way, and they were mismatched, but no, it's that way. From factory. Obviously I didnly change it, obviously from factory. There might be a Domino's over there. I may have ordered a pizza. There also might be a salad restaurant, and I may have ordered a salad over there. We got 10 minutes to kill though. Quick walk around of the Supra, like this back end, F12 Berlinetta, Ferrari 812 Superfast, like totally so much. We even have like that rain light, just like those cars. The back end of this car is like the best design element of them all. That double bubble roof a la Viper GTS. The back end on this car just looks absolutely epic. If we pop the trunk, has decent amount of storage too. Not like a lot, but kind of sort of decent. Not really that decent. Window sticker 2020 Supra Launch Edition, final assembly point Graz, Austria, MSRP $55,250, driver assist package $1,195, grand total $57,501, fuel economy 31 on the highway. I think my Aventador might get 9, so that's a big upgrade. I really want to peel this off, but at the same time I don't. Here we go. It is officially a used vehicle. The Launch Edition doesn't actually really mean much, except it's a numbered car, 304-1500. You got this carbon fiber signed by Mr. Toyota himself, and then the whole center console is carbon fiber as well. The red leather on the steering wheel, as well as the seats. Really nice seats, really comfortable. I like the red leather. However, if I wrap the car, I'm gonna run into the same issue that I have with the Aventador. If I have a purple exterior with a red interior, kind of sort of awkward, but maybe if I have window tint, but I'll get pulled over and then I'll have to, well, 20% depreciation, there you go. The Supra has a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder. Just look at the monstrosity of that hood. We're talking 335 horsepower, which is actually quite a lot because the car doesn't weigh much. I wasn't really sure what to expect with the Supra. Obviously, I'd never even seen the car until today, never driven the car. It's like a little go-kart though, 335 horsepower. It's so well balanced. Really like this car. What kind of videos should I film with the Supra? And from an aftermarket standpoint, as far as the build, what should I do? Of course, the aftermarket community still needs to catch up. The cars became available for sale last week, so nobody has them. I've contacted a few exhaust companies, and they haven't received their car yet, so they haven't been able to build the exhaust yet. So the build is gonna take time from that standpoint. I go back and forth. Do I wide body it, guys? Do I not wide body it? It looks so good, but if it was a little bit wider, I feel like it would look so much better. No, I didn't get a salad today. Hey, I'm on vacation. I need a pizza to celebrate. We're here at the JW Marriott. Yeah, let's dig in. Buying the Supra was definitely like a last second decision, but I think we made the right choice. We are here in Saddlebrook, New Jersey, just outside of New York, and we are headed to Salt Lake City, 1,959 miles away. It is going to take us, wait for it, 1 day, 7 hours. However, that is taking the direct route. We are also going to be headed to Detroit, to America's Most Wanted for the Gladiator. So, yeah, we're going to be on the road for a while. I need my energy, dude. I gotta eat. In the last 2 days, I've only slept 2 hours, and it was coach, middle seat, red eye to JFK. My one-way ticket was $496, and then my Uber from JFK to the Toyota dealership today was $140. And on that bombshell, I need to edit today's video. I need to go to bed. We're driving to Kentucky tomorrow, so as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over.